Now, trend in periodic table. This is very important topic. Trend in periodic table. Here, first is that is atomic size. Atomic size. Here we will discuss atomic size increases from top to bottom. That is in a group. So always whatever we are discussion is going on trend, that is I am discussing in group, that is atomic size increases towards downward direction because number of share increases, number of electron increases, therefore size increases. Now second property, ionic radii. Ionic radii, that is any atom or element having tendency to form ion by loss or gain of electron, that is by loss of gain of electron to form ion. These ion to the downward direction, ionic character also increases because ionic size also increases because share increases, it easily lose electron to form ion. Now after that, electronegativity in a group decreases because electronegativity defined as atom element having tendency to attract electron. Smaller the size, greater attraction. Here size increases down the group, therefore attraction decreases, and hence its electronegativity decreases to the down direction, that is group. Now ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy means here minimum energy required to remove electron from वैलेंस शेल टू फॉर्म आयन. किसी भी एलिमेंट से इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करने के लिए जितने एनर्जी लगती है उसको कहते हैं आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी. सो हियर इफ वी आर डिस्कसिंग इन अ ग्रुप, size increases, therefore ionization enthalpy also decreases because size increases, ionization decreases. Clear? Now after that, electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is minimum energy required to gain electron. While gaining electron, it require energy. If size is greater, so attraction is less, so it require more energy. But this electron gain enthalpy cannot be represented with increasing or decreasing. It is always represented with sign negative or positive. Now see, always electron gain enthalpy, that is e.g. may be negative or positive, negative or positive, and so it is calculated here, right? Now up after the oxidation number, oxidation number is always given by such. Now oxidation number of electron present in a valence shell is either losing or gaining to form a charge, that is said to be oxidation number. Ability to lose electron, right? Any atom element having ability to lose electron, that is said to be oxidation state. Now see, after that metallic character as moving downward direction in a group, metallic character increases, and non-metallic character decreases. Now but here because we are moving towards metal, so metallic character increases. Then if we are moving towards non-metallic character, its metallic character decreases because towards non-metal, left to right non-metallic character increases, and towards down non-metallic character decreases. Clear? Now there is one more group, that is inert group or zero group, or it is 18 group, or it is also known as noble group. This is because of its electron, whatever atoms are there whose electron are completely fulfilled, whose orbital are completely fulfilled, means its octet is fulfilled, that is 2, 8, 18 in such a way. But there are some element which are reactive. Even noble gas has zero valency, right? Because it do not take reaction, do not react to form compound. But Here, some inert gas which react like xenon and krypton. It react to form many compounds. These compounds, that is XeO, XeO3, XeO2F2, XeOF4, etc.